Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we have something incredibly exciting to share with you. If you've ever wondered how to make it big on YouTube without even showing your face, then this video is for you. We're diving deep into the world of faceless YouTube success, focusing on how you can create viral shorts using AI and various apps. So let's get started. Today, I'm revealing how one YouTube channel gained over 3.5 lakh subscribers with just 28 videos. Yes, only 28. Imagine the possibilities if you could replicate this success. And the best part? Most of these videos are simple AI-generated short videos. You don't need expensive equipment or a professional studio setup. All you need is a good strategy and the right tools. These videos use trending music, AI voices, and captivating visuals. The combination of these elements makes the content highly engaging and shareable. Just look at their views. 12 million, 10 million, 5 million. These numbers are not just impressive. They are achievable with the right approach. It's clear that with the right strategy, you too can grow fast on YouTube. But what exactly is this strategy? Let's break it down step by step. First, you need a compelling story. A good story is the backbone of any successful video. It doesn't have to be complex. Even simple stories can go viral if they resonate with the audience. Use ChatGPT to create interesting scripts. Just ask it to generate a short animal story, or anything trending. ChatGPT is an incredibly powerful tool that can help you come up with engaging content ideas in no time. Once you have your script, the next step is to bring it to life. Use AI tools to generate voiceovers and visuals. There are several AI voiceover software options available that can produce natural-sounding voices. To get videos, use KW Video Downloader from the Play Store. It downloads content without watermarks. This is crucial because watermarked videos can look unprofessional and may not perform as well. I'll also share a Telegram link to a special Chinese app where you can directly download AI-style videos for reuse. This app is a goldmine for high-quality, ready-to-use content. Simply copy the video link, open the downloader, and paste. The video will be saved to your gallery, ready for editing, without any copyright issues. Now that you have your video, it's time to understand the story. Watch the video 2-3 times to get a good grasp of the narrative. This will help you create a more compelling voiceover and add relevant visuals. Let the idea settle in your mind. Think about how you can make the story more engaging. For example, a story could be about an elephant stuck in a pit, being rescued. Dramatic and emotional. Write down the story in your notepad. You can even use voice typing in Kannada. This makes the process faster and more convenient. Just download a keyboard app with Kannada support. It types as you speak. This is especially useful if you're more comfortable speaking than typing. Now head to the Gemini app, search on Play Store, paste your story and click Send. Instantly you get a natural-sounding voiceover of your script, completely free. You can even choose different voices, male or female. Just go to Gemini settings and pick your favorite voice style. This allows you to customize the voiceover to better match the tone of your story. Before recording the final video, turn on your screen recorder and enable system audio. This ensures your AI voice gets recorded clearly, without background noise. Now record your screen with the visuals and the voiceover. This step is crucial because it brings all the elements together into a cohesive video. Just like that, your video is ready. But we're not done yet. To make your video even more engaging, add a trending song in the background. Music can significantly enhance the emotional impact of your video. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Your engagement helps us create more valuable content for you. Comment below if you want a shout out in the next video. And yes, today's comment winner is on the screen right now. We love hearing from you and appreciate your support. See you in the next one. Until then, keep creating and stay inspired. Remember, the key to success on YouTube is consistency and creativity. Keep experimenting with different ideas and formats. You never know which video might go viral next. And don't forget to use the tools and apps we discussed today. They can save you a lot of time and effort, allowing you to focus on what really matters, creating great content. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comment section. We're here to help you succeed. Thanks for watching and happy creating. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Your engagement helps us create more valuable content for you. See you in the next one. Until next time, keep hustling and stay creative. See you in the next video. Bye for now.